Welcome to my nature channel, Lucky Lucky Zone, and I've been encouraged to share some of my writings, so I'll start today, July 27th, 2023. This was written in June 2023. Sunrise over the mountain, shining through the shadow of clouds on the horizon. Opening the window halfway, the morning breeze slowly waltzes towards me. A small bird chirps once, and then once again. A medium-sized bird does 3 triple chirps. That was the woodpecker. Silence. Golden Valley with an empty railroad track in the middle. 4 strands of spider silk glimmering in partial segments on the window screen. The sun disk rises. The clouds on the horizon are no longer visible. The sun rises higher, 5:48 a.m., and you can call it daybreak. So, this is the Harris Hawk tree. It's a large mesquite with a lot of bones.